Sketch on an argon diagram the locus of points satisfying the following. Well, the first one is mod z minus 2 plus I is less than or equal to 3. Now I like to rewrite this mod z minus, and then if I put in here 2 minus I in the bracket, you can see when I expand the bracket out, I do get z minus 2 plus I. And that's less than or equal to 3. Now I like to write it like this because that means that this is the center. So the center is at 2, -1, just here. We know that this is going to be a radius of 3. The fact that this is less than or equal to means we draw it with a solid boundary. So let's mark on some points that have a distance of 3 from that center. So those 4 points will do, and then try to draw a reasonably good circle which has a nice solid boundary because it was a less than or equal to, and then less than or equal to means we're shading inside. So that would be that locus. Now remember, if you were given this, you would need to be able to spot this equation. So take a good look at it and see how we got there. Now, the next part, well, that's the same equation, or inequality, I should say, that we had here. And for this one, I would rewrite that as z take away, and then it would be -1 take away 2i, think about expanding it, is less than 2. So we'll start off by repeating this one. We know that's at 2, -1, and then we can put on some points at a distance of 3 from there, like so, and we'll redraw the circle, but let's not shade just yet because we want to shade so that it satisfies both inequalities this time. Now, maybe let's just change the color for the other one. And so -1, -2 is the center for that one. And the radius is 2. And so we get that. Now this one is a strictly less than. So what we need to do is draw our circle with dashed like that. And if we look at the inequality, it's inside this circle and inside that circle. So we're talking about this region just here.